Morning all. This is part 2 of my quarantine transformation journey. I'm so glad you could join me today for this video. Just to give you a little intro and say good morning, part 2. Today's plan: wash and dry, leave the hair alone, false tan. I might even try and do a bit of like false tan contouring, but I don't know how successful that's going to be and if I can even be bothered, really. So I'm also going to be doing a I was putting myself in the eye. Ow. I'm also going to be doing a dermaplaning facial, dermaplaning, whatever, and shaving my face and putting moisturiser on, basically. I've got a really fun Zoom call that we do every week with my best friends. So I'm going to be doing some snatchery on the face just to complete the final transformation. I've sent my friends little hints of what I've done to my hair, but they haven't seen the full result. I mean, I haven't even seen the full result yet, so let's get crack-a-lackin', shall we? Oh my god, you've just seen me do one side of my face. I'm trying to see if it feels any different. I don't know whether it's completely shaved them or just like made them shorter. But really it was here that was like, I've taken like the beard area. That was the most. And like around my lip. That feels really... I have not done my nose because I don't think you're supposed to. But that feels really incredible. Ooh, I'm going to do the other side of my face. And I'll be back. Just done the whole of my face. I feel really, really amazing. I wish I could show you a lot of hair that come off my face, but it basically got bleached by the bleach on my face. So it's pure white and you can't tell because I've got like a little bit of tissue paper that I placed it all on. I don't think it's completely like removed the hair. I think I've said that. It's just basically shortened it to like very fine stubble, which is really interesting, and my skin does feel a little bit softer. So this is the Blackhead Cleansing Fizz Mask. You don't need to rub this in so much as smooth it, but you'll start to see the effect in a second. Here's the bubbles. Amazing, isn't it? And it like... yeah, it tingles so you can really feel it working. I'm just going to leave this to fizzle. Hopefully any of the crap stuff on my skin can start lifting and coming away. That's off my skin. Starting to feel glowy and beautiful already. This is a peel off clay mask that I've had for a while. It's the Face Shop Natural Story, yeah, Korean. I got this from TK Maxx. It's like a very sticky clay mask. It's really sticky. Look how sticky that is. Basically, this ripped out all the hairs that was like on this side of my face because I put it in like this, like a T-zone sort of way. It made me kind of realise that like dermaplaning probably is quite a good thing to do because my skin felt so soft afterwards. Let's just squeeze it all out. Ooh, this is like otherworldly. Can you see that? Holy moly! Get it? Tony Moly, Korean skincare. No? Okay. Okay, we're back. We have different lighting. It's turning like 8 o'clock. This is so tight on the face, but also still a bit sticky. So I'm going to try and peel a bit of it off and we're going to see how it goes. I'm scared. Hell yeah. Wow, my skin feels like I've got someone else's skin on. It feels so soft. And like, okay, it's a little bit red and sore. It's like brought my like rosacea out on my cheeks. And then my spots are quite angry at the moment. But other than that, I just can't get over it, how it feels. Like anything that I put onto my skin is just going to get soaked in completely. I think that's the aim of a dermaplaning facial and I think I've achieved it. So I feel like before I put my moisturising mask on, I was considering putting this pore filler into it. It's like a, well, pore refiner from Dr. Brandt. I did used to use this product a lot. I'm also a little bit like, do I do that? I've got an overnight night peel or niacinamide. I can't say it. Niacinamide. Put it on. 3 drops. Oh, that's gone quite quick. See that? Oh, that was sore. Oh, that actually hit my spot then, so that must mean it does something. That's my serum rubbed in. I feel like I am going to put a bit of this pore filler on. I caught that. Yes. Legend. I'm going to say Kobe then. It's a bit soon, isn't it? It's like saying coronavirus, isn't it? It's a bit soon. So just tapped a little bit of that off with the tissue and then massaged it into the skin. And hopefully this does, I've not used this in a long time, but I used to put it on before I applied makeup and it did make my skin look a lot smoother. So I'm hoping that's the aim with this. Does it say it's cool? No. So now I'm going to apply the Glam and Glow Thirsty Mud all over my face. Guys, colour is on. Sorry for the shaky hand, I don't know what's going on with me. I'm just trying a bit of the false tan contouring. I just put a little bit on my cheek here. I'm just buffing it in with this brush. At first I done it with the mitt and I was like, that's a bit crazy. So I think it's dried now. Hopefully under makeup this might just add to my contouring. It looks mad on camera, so hopefully it looks better in person. But see you in a bit. Oh, I'm definitely going to do this as well. Okay, be back in a sec. I think I'm going to wipe a bit of this off. Okay, I've just cleaned it up a little bit with a makeup wipe. And I think you know who I look like right now. and with my white blonde hairline, just really looks great, doesn't it? I might take this all off like after an hour. I might not leave it as long as this, which is like actually a fast drying time, like 2 to 3 hours. If you want to see me spiral even further during this quarantine, please subscribe down below. I really appreciate it if you could, you know, be alongside me on this downward spiral. And hey, even suggest some videos as to what low you'd like to see me go to. Like at what level do you think enough is enough? Like I'd really like for you to do that for me. So if you want to do that in the comment section of this video, feel free. Honestly, I need all the help I can get right now. Oh God. So this, ladies and gents, is the final of the part 2 quarantine transformation. What have I lost during this process? My dignity, my sanity, my brown hair, my actual skin colour. Lucky enough, this doesn't show how lumpy I am. I feel very Scouse right now, like I've reached my Scouse realness. Thank you so much for watching this video, come alongside me. Like I've said a million times in this video, like and subscribe if you want to see me descend even further into madness. I mean, look at, yeah, it's a mess. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!